Congratulations on purchasing the Arlo Ultra 4K wire-free security camera from the nation's #1 network-connected camera brand. Arlo Ultra is the most advanced camera we've ever created and the clearest choice for wire-free security. It works in all weather conditions and is loaded with features including 4K video, color night vision, an integrated spotlight, panoramic view, noise-canceling audio, and more. In this video, we'll show you how to install your Arlo Ultra system in just 5 simple steps. First, you'll be asked to select your device. Then you'll be prompted to plug the Ethernet cable into your router and power up the base station. The base station will search for your devices and automatically connect. You'll then be asked to name your Arlo base station. After naming the base station, it will check for and automatically update the firmware. Next, you'll be prompted to insert the battery into your camera. Just remove the cover from the back of the camera and insert the battery with the logo facing up. With the battery inserted, the base station will automatically detect the camera and ask you to select the serial number of the camera you'd like to place. Then you'll be asked to name your camera. Repeat this step for every camera you'd like to install. Select an unobstructed location with a clear vantage point and a strong signal. Position the camera on the newly designed mount to take maximum advantage of Arlo Ultra's 180-degree view. If you want to install the magnetic charging cable, you can place the extra wire in the mount to hide any unneeded slack in the cable. This step is completely optional. Arlo Ultra's modular design also prevents accidental dropping of the camera when you're changing batteries with its built-in catch that catches the camera as it slides out from the base. The kit includes all the necessary mounting hardware, including a small screw spacer to ensure the mount fits tightly. When the camera is mounted, select Continue. The app will then prompt you to select the camera you'd like to place. Next, you'll see the welcome screen for Arlo Smart. All Arlo Ultra cameras include a 1-year subscription to Arlo Smart Premier, a suite of advanced services that includes person detection, E911 services, cloud activity zones, and more. E911 instantly directs local emergency services where the camera is located when you need help. Just add your address and phone number and you can activate E911 services with one simple tap from anywhere in the United States. Congratulations! Your cameras are now active. Press Finish and you're ready to enjoy greater safety, security, and peace of mind with Arlo Ultra, the clearest choice for wire-free security. For more Arlo content, please visit the community pages at arlo.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Welcome to Ring Alarm. We're glad you're one of our neighbors. Ring Alarm puts a ring of security in and around your home using different types of security devices. The base station provides security for your entire home. The contact sensor monitors a door or window in your home. The motion detector watches a room inside your house for motion. The keypad is the physical control panel for Ring Alarm. The range extender expands your network so a distant device can talk to the base station. Together, all these devices make up Ring Alarm. Your Ring Alarm system monitors sensors to put a ring of security in and around your home. Ring Alarm includes 3 security modes to fit your needs. Away monitors all the sensors in and around your home, giving you the most security when you're not there. Home monitors sensors around your home, but ignores the ones inside, giving you freedom to move around your home. Disarmed doesn't monitor any sensors, allowing you to go in and out easily. These 3 modes allow you to keep your home security in sync with you. You can change your security mode from the Ring app or keypad. To change modes using the app, open the dashboard, then tap the new mode. To change modes on the keypad, enter your 4-digit access code, then choose the new mode. As an owner, you can add shared users and assign each of them unique 4-digit access codes. When Ring Alarm is set to Away and Armed or Home and Armed, it monitors sensors in your home. If a door opens or a sensor detects motion, the system will alarm. If you're signed up for professional monitoring and out of the 7-day practice mode, you'll get a call asking if everything's okay. If you can't be reached, the monitoring center will call your other emergency contact. If either you or your emergency contact confirm things are wrong or give an incorrect verbal password, the local authorities will be dispatched to you. When they come, they'll make sure you're okay, then walk you through the premises to check the area. If the authorities are dispatched but find nothing wrong, you may be charged a false alarm fee. There are a few things you can do to eliminate false alarms. First, make sure your emergency contact's information is up to date and that they know your verbal password. The verbal password lets the alarm company know that the person they're talking to is authorized to make decisions about your safety. You can change it in the monitoring settings of your Ring app. Second, make sure that you've installed your sensors properly. Finally, review the system with your family and be sure they understand how to use Ring Alarm and its security modes. Welcome to our neighborhood. With Ring, you're always home.
We know your life is busy, so our all-in-one security system does the hard work for you. Just set it up and it'll tell you what you need to know. With Honeywell Smart Home Security, you can check on what's happening at home even when you're not there. You'll know the kids got home on time, thanks to an alert when they come through the door.
Alexa, is it gonna rain today?
It probably won't rain in Atlanta today. There's only a 25% chance.
Have you walked the dog yet?
And if an issue is detected when no one's around, you can take action. Wherever you are, it's easy to check on your home around the clock and know who's been up to mischief. Adding sensors extends your coverage, even outdoors. So, if an unwelcome visitor is spotted outside, you'll know. And they'll know you know. Smart Home Security helps give you confidence when you're away. And when you return, your system can see your home and is ready to greet you. The Smart Home Security System from Honeywell. It's good to know.
We understand that our alarms not only need to protect your home, they also need to fit in with your busy lifestyle. That's why our traditional alarms have just got smarter. Introducing Sync. It's quick, easy to install, and conveniently wireless. Leave every part of your home safe and secure with a 200-meter range. Your home is in your hand. Receive notifications on the go. Forgetting to set your alarm is no longer a worry. Sync fits into your lifestyle, allowing you to part-arm, so there's no need to worry about your furry friends creating false alarms. If the worst was to happen and your alarm is triggered, you'll receive an instant alert. We've also partnered with Philips Hue to provide a visual deterrent for would-be intruders, combining security and simplicity. Sync Alarm also works with Amazon Alexa, combining lights, sound, and voice to keep your family safe and secure day and night. Home alarms just got smarter.
Arlo's mission is to protect what matters most. Your family, your home, your assets. We have our cameras to watch over those.
The way we design right from ground up is to have very simple interface, very easy to install, no wires to run. This is very easy plug and play. So development for EcoShow was very easy for us. The reason being we already have Arlo Connect which provide cloud APIs.
We were excited about opening up our API so that we can deliver the video and deliver that experience to our customer.
So we can reduce the multiple steps involved in identifying what exactly happening in your home.
So we have our Amazon Echo Show set up today, and within our smart home we actually have Arlo cameras set up. We have some set up in the kitchen and also in the kids' room. So let's say we're in the kitchen today with our Echo Show and we wanted to check in on the kids. We could say, Alexa, show us David's room. Echo Show will actually load a live view of the Arlo camera, and we can tune in and see what's going on.
I clearly saw it's a great opportunity for us actually. We're able to combine query and answer into one box.
Our customers can just say, after receiving alerts, to play the camera, and the camera will stream to our Echo Show.
From our perspective, for us, end user experience is extremely important, and I believe Alexa provides that experience, and I think that's one of the reasons we are very excited to be part of the Alexa integration.